Hey Ronnie, so you are working with F16 Media for almost a month now for your air
Yes,
duct
sir.
cleaning company in Florida. What is your feedback, man?
Um, First of all, so far I love it. The results came in pretty quickly. It started a little slow, but we could see leads coming in from the first day, and then after a week, it already filled up our schedule pretty good. It was a little hard to go to choose a company, honestly. You know my story because I got burnt by other companies before, but when we decided to go with you, we definitely saw the results right away. From the first day, I think we already got two or three leads, and after the first week, we already pretty much filled up our whole schedule with at least two, three jobs every day. So no complaints there. Honestly, I don't know a lot about what you're doing, but as long as it's working, I'm happy with it.
I got you. So specifically because we are air duct cleaning marketing agency and helping home service businesses mainly, what's your feedback as an air duct business owner?
Well, honestly, it seems like the customers are happy. I mean, they see the commercials. It's pretty straightforward. They know what they're getting into. When they give us a call, they pretty much understand the pricing already, at least the basic ones. And I mean, it's pretty smooth. Honestly, nothing better than that. I don't think that we encountered any difficulties really. It's just people calling and we just close the deals, and that's up for us. But at least on your side of the business, which is delivering the leads, you're definitely doing your work.
Perfect. What would you say to other air duct cleaning businesses who are still thinking to sign up with us?
It's hard to spend that first investment, get that money out of your pocket just to try it, but it definitely comes back pretty quickly. At least from my experience, I can say that after the first few days, we already returned our investment. And the more you go and the more you invest, the more you get. So it's just really just taking the band-aid off, just go for it, just having a little leap of faith. And for me, at least, it worked great.
Perfect. And what would you say about our customer service and answering your questions and being there for you?
I love it. It seems like you're on top of it more than I am, and it's my business. So it's really good. You're always communicating, always texting, calling, making sure that we're good, making sure that there's no mistakes or error. You're really on top of it. You're like I said, you're more on top of it than I am, and it's my business. So no complaints there.
Perfect. And what would you rate us out of 10?
Absolutely 10. Absolutely 10. You're communicative, you're talking like a friend, and you're not talking like you're some big CEO that only looks at us as the number, but actually as a person, as you know, as someone that you create a relationship with. And personally, I love it. I'd rather work with someone that I know that I can develop a relationship and trust. And I know that what you're doing it great. I don't have any ideas on how to do it better. I just let you do your thing, you know.
Perfect. Anything else you would like to mention?
That everybody should work with you. Absolutely. From small to big, go for it. Take the little leap of faith and just do it. It's definitely worth it.
Perfect, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Absolutely, man. Thank you.